As soon as I arrived in Pattaya, I made a reservation through Klook, and it was good that there was a hotel pickup service when I made the reservation. It is about 50 minutes from Pattaya, and there were a lot of ATV buggies when I arrived. My guides, Jojo and Ia, took a group and kindly taught me how to ride slowly. It was my first time riding an ATV, and I did the 2-hour ultimate course. Before starting the course, I went around the practice course and actually went outside and rode the jungle course, which was thrilling. It was my first time riding an ATV and I thought I had a good sense of balance, but I was surprisingly exhausted. While riding a mountain, I accidentally fell sideways while riding an ATV, but the guide was kind and gentle and took care of me first, checked if I was hurt, and put the ATV back to its original state. They were really, really kind. They took pictures during breaks. After finishing the course and returning, they served homemade hamburgers, French fries, and cola, which were tastier than McDonald's. If it's your first time riding an ATV, I recommend the Jojo and Ia guides. Hey there! I just wanted to reach out and say a huge thank you for the amazing ATV tour experience. It was so well organized and I had an absolute blast. The team did an incredible job making sure everything ran smoothly. I can't wait to recommend your company to all my friends. Keep up the fantastic work. Celebratory hands in the air emoji, smiley face emoji, fun and exciting, easy for novices to use. It is very convenient to have a private car to pick you up, but hotels far away from the venue will charge a surcharge, and the price is quite reasonable. They will provide tops so you don't have to worry about getting sunburned or getting your shirts dirty. Only pants and shoes are more likely to be splashed with sand. The scenery along the way is beautiful, with a moderate amount of slopes and muddy slopes. It's fun even if part of the journey is on the road. There will also be dedicated personnel responsible for keeping an eye on traffic conditions and helping to direct traffic. Sparkles emoji. It's important to note that no one is telling me that they will put a GoPro in the back of the car to record. If you want to collect the film back, you need to ask them to buy it immediately after completing the trip, otherwise they will wash it quickly. Record it.